We are going to start making a sentence with the words we have. Number one, we have so, which means love. Let us make a sentence with it. Ina son makarantata. Ina son makarantata. Here, this one is the so. Is the so. So we make a sentence with it. Ina son makarantata. Ina son makarantata. The second one is ki. Ki. It means ina kin ƙazanta. Ina son makaranta mean in English I love my school. Ina son makaranta mean I love my school. While ina kin ƙazanta, it means I hate dirty. I hate dirty. Then the other one is kawo jumla guda biyu. Kawo jumla guda biyu. Kawo jumla guda biyu. Kawo jumla guda biyu. It means that give two sentences. Give two sentences. Give two